Who actually controls the ethnic food market? The answer may surprise you. The market leader Ajinomoto holds only around 6% of the global market. McCormick and Company follows with 4%, while General Mills captures around 3%. Association British Foods and Nestle each hold approximately 2%. Add them together, and the top 5 companies account for only about 17% of the market. That leaves nearly 83% in the hands of regional food producers, specialty brands, and local cuisine experts. The takeaway? The ethnic food market is not controlled by a few giants. It thrives on cultural diversity, regional expertise, and a wide range of authentic flavors from around the world. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.